kwa yen koso ne bra ye bre ne ade so nyina no free the yen is it teachers. Is that what she said?
I go visa no kai.
We are sure.
Oh yes, Goofy, exactly what she said.
What's your video?
Goofy, Mati, the contest now also blame teachers for the poor performance of Ghana's economy. And Goofy, I don't know whether she was under any form of a spell. Maybe I just don't know.
I think that was sounded very technical.
How?
And she was, I think the speech in the man. Into exactly contest no cry one tears.
Now it's just speech about
no, because I said near man work can mean etevo mamini gift chum ampof.
For any country to perform wonderfully well, there is a lot we all need to do in areas of education. Research has proved that any country's gross tertiary enrollment ratio has a lot to do with the GDP of the country. Let me say this again. Research has proved that any country's tertiary gross tertiary enrollment ratio has so much to do with the GDP. And foundation of education is here in Akoma, here in Presbyterian College of Education, and in all teacher education. So, for our instructors, for our lecturers here, we say that once you have this responsibility and we get so much committed, then we are sure that the gross tertiary enrollment ratio will definitely increase. And with that increase, the GDP of the country will increase. And for this simple reason, Honorable Samuel, an engineer, a banker, an economist. If the economy do not do well, it is not the economy, it is the teacher. Let me say that again. If the economy is not doing well, it is not the finance minister, it is not the economy, but it is the teacher. Because the performance of the economy depends on the country's gross tertiary enrollment ratio. Countries who have theirs 40% and above, their GDP is fantastic. And those of us who have it lower, the economy is struggling. So now the solution is the foundation that you have provided. But as a teacher, and as all of us are teachers, we say that we have done well, but there is still more room. Let's say that together. There is still more room for improvement.
So, JB, I say, yen leaders, no, we okwakoye program.
Yeah.
Presbyterian school, and an almost year or more anniversary.
Okay.
And ya prepare speech at the amount. We have cried one came before. And who's an unknown from. She doesn't understand what she was talking about.
Exactly, but
just a confused. Look at her. We say economy in Korea. We should not blame the economy.
Finance minister,
but the teachers. Hey, Jesus Christ. Hey. So these are the mindset of people we have them in this country. They are better now, man.
Na Gofi,
Nanado, Ninia Beme, finance minister,
Keno Foriata.
Wakacha Nanado say in your more young fancy teachers. Enti na young Pamono no.
Na Gofi, Ghana, you try to the teachers for. Mami ade
okay. So one will say yet to kremwa yade enas pamoforia to foria takacha na nado say enyo no na aye na emo yan fancy teachers.
You try to the teachers.
This is the country we are in.
Mami Kofi, I don't want to blame her too much. I'm probably to say the waka speech in the movie.
Until the na waka who tie ni speech na no craft and na gross domestic and na gross GPA and na gross then just say
distinguished ladies and gentlemen, for any country to perform wonderfully well, there is a lot we all need to do in areas of education. Research has proved that any country's gross tertiary enrollment ratio has a lot to do with the GDP of the country. Let me say this again. Research has proved that any country's tertiary gross tertiary enrollment ratio has so much to do with the GDP. And foundation of education is here in the Akoma, here in Presbyterian College of Education, and in all teacher education. So, for our instructors, for our lecturers here, we say that once you have this responsibility and we get so much committed, then we are sure that the gross tertiary enrollment ratio will definitely increase. And when that increase, the GDP of the country will increase. And for this simple reason, Honorable Samuel, an engineer, a banker, an economist. If the economy do not do well, it is not the economy, it is the teacher. Let me say.
They don't even know what they are doing.
Nana to recruit.
Yes, because I mean you can say this.
I am shocked.
There's correlation between education and development, no doubt. But you can tell us the economy.
I am shocked.
And Koya go and blame the teachers. I mean, so in a country na make say speech na no tie ni nyina no.
Bakofi.
On tiasie.
Kofi speech is a true speech man na say wo kan mu a. Edu point bi na so who say no, you are going off border. It's all the wadwene ba fie. No Kofi say ma bi odo ma.
My president kura kan ade ni speech yero bisa say na speech no wa he.
Kofi na dey say na ayira. Speech in dey say na bi ayira. Kofi o ka asem asem wonim say wo ka no.
Copy and paste nko copy and paste. We go school say mami bo an wo bo apo. Ge bia minim no wo bo apo sa. Say mami bo an wo bo apo. Apo fin kwa no de ne nemu a. A beautiful woman. What could go when must say? You goofed big time. Goofed big time. A country where education is he say one thing and it may be a you have a problem.
Yeah.
It's true the teacher teaches everybody. I mean, you want to be president is the teacher. In that contest, you better see. But when the teacher has taught you, concentration ben abai edishe in basic school crisis here. We are all understanding that we are losing the basics. And as a deputy education minister, now why do you even relate your speech to economy?
So he's not even adding any value to the education ministry. Uti in your canal. Bibi any word more the education ministry. It is all about education. Or Franca. Why would you tell us say say economy ni ya? Go be to what the education minister. You try to the teacher. You try to offer my teacher ni. So why would you say this? And everyone go be mami say energy with mami ho. I mean, it is clear. I don't know, say out of frustration or say whatever. I don't know. Because you can't just go and stand in front of trained teachers and be talking like, I mean, oh, as an your name cry so forget his side the baby out. If I know if you say all kind of you what is all they were clapping. So it means that they were on one case of no monte the man cry at some no monte. They were clapping, no more Muslim. It's maybe no on so casacho munquire and quabonting. It's way over here in the Macassa hole. Macassa papa. Ya boy and some mamma. We
were Cassaca, we are could pons. We aqua transia ye makeup as a walk crowd in the makeup artist dinechi. No aqua could train him all because Wakasa.
You have to come and explain to us